Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Epic Games account to your Xbox account. First, log into epicgames.com and then after logging in, navigate the site until you see the display name in the top right corner of the screen. Click this display name and then click the account. Next is navigate to the sidebar. As you can see the sidebar, there are different things to choose from. Scroll a little until you see apps and accounts. Click on this apps and accounts tab until you see the Xbox icon here. Click the connect button and then click the connect account. Click the accept button here. And that's it. Just simply click the continue button. And as you can see here, there's a alert notification that indicates that we have successfully connected our Xbox account. And that is how you can connect your Epic Games account to your Xbox account. And thank you for listening.